So apparently the whole upper half of my screen is not working. The lower half of the screen works just fine. It's the upper half that's, I guess, severed out of, man, this is ridiculous. This is by far the most disappointing experience I've had with a foldable to date, and it's extremely unfortunate because I've been rooting for these. Let's be real, a lot of other content creators probably wouldn't have made this video because they have relationships or they don't want to ruin the possibility of a future relationship with these brands because they want everything to be positive and, you know, kumbaya. But man, this is a video that I absolutely did not want to have to make, but I'm being forced to make it because unfortunate events have taken place, and this is the reality. Yesterday, I went to sit down and make my Galaxy Watch 5 Pro video, which if you guys seen the video, you're gonna see that like my watch wasn't connecting to my phone, which it is today, which is funny. But the phone that I have connected to the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is the Z Flip 4. And I went to go and open this. Ooh, you can hear it when I opened it. Wow, it's even worse than what it was yesterday. So basically what I'm showing you here is the first time, footage from the first day when I discovered this. And I'm not gonna lie, I was in my feelings. I was kind of thrown off like big time. Man, I can't believe I have to even make this video. I'm literally in the middle of making or getting ready to make my Watch 5 Pro video. And I take a look at my Z Flip 4, which has been lightly used over these last couple weeks. This is by far the most disappointing experience I've had with a foldable to date, and it's extremely unfortunate because I've been rooting for these. You guys, literally, I've done nothing to this device. There's no reason for this to have snapped. And now I could be an anomaly. I could be one of the few. I could be the one of many. And this is kind of disappointing because Samsung supposedly remade the hinge. I mean, this is a new redesign of a hinge. It's supposed to be a lot better. This is what I'm getting out of my Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is a malfunctioning display. And it's so sad because you guys saw my enthusiasm for this phone. I'm rooting, or at least I was rooting for this device. And here's my issue. I'm gonna be honest, like literally I'm weeks in. I'm not even a full month in. And this is an issue that I'm having. Now, I was just sick, you guys. That's why the content just took a sudden stop, because I was down sick bad for like 10 days plus. And I'm just now on my way back to full recovery. But I haven't even been beaten on this device or anything of that matter. I never beat on any device. I haven't done anything abnormal to this device other than use it as you typically would and open it and close it as you typically would. Nothing crazy. I haven't even done any skits with me slamming the phone shut like I used to do with the original Z Flip 1. It's crazy because I showed you guys my original Z Flip and told you guys how I stood behind the durability of these devices. Now, I spend a lot of money with Samsung because I don't get early units. I don't get those review units that they lend out to creators early so that they could get content early and then send it back and, like, you know, no out-of-pocket expenses. I pay for my devices. So I traded in a perfectly working Samsung device, my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, for the Z Flip 4. And literally within weeks, I'm having malfunctions. And, you know, Samsung redid the hinge. This could possibly be a telling sign of maybe, hold on, that's a, see, and then I can't even use the top of the device. Wait, now this device not working at all for me. Wait, I can't even turn off this video. Hold on. Whoa, okay, I was able to get out. Whew, okay. Literally, I stood behind the durability of this device and I spoke up proudly because I'm rooting for the foldable devices and design from Samsung. But literally, there's a couple realities. There's either design failure with this new hinge, or I just got an anomaly of a, you know, bad display. And look, it's not working. Like, I'm not getting any touch. Let me put that down before I get frustrated in my feelings. So yesterday when I noticed this, like, I'm not gonna lie, like, I made a video on the spot because I was literally in the middle of making a video. And then I had to express like how I truly felt, which I'm gonna share that in this video. But right now, since it's the next day and I'm calm, kill, I want to just like get my thoughts across, like thoroughly, and not be influenced by as much emotion, but still be like honest and truthful about what I'm trying to say. Because, you know, I don't know if this is an issue in, you know, the displays that they're putting out or whatnot, but here's the reality of what I'm gonna do going forward. Number one, I'm gonna reach out to Samsung, as any consumer would that's having this issue, and see what they do to fix it. Now, one thing with me is with these devices, I buy a lot of them, and I don't always do like the extra, like, you know, Samsung cares and Apple cares. And sometimes I will do it. It depends on the device and, you know, what's going on. Like, I remember when the laptops had those bad butterfly keyboards on Apple, I got Apple care when I used to never get it because you never needed it. But this new age, like there's a Samsung Care Plus, Apple Care, Samsung Care, funny. But, you know, there's this Samsung Care Plus, which they're really pushing alongside these foldable displays, which kind of like raises an eyebrow because it's like there's a natural 1-year warranty with these devices, but they're pushing the Samsung Care Plus, and it's like an extra, I don't know, couple $100 that you're gonna have to spend on top of your device's cost, which is basically like you putting your money down towards, is it an inevitable failure that's coming with this device? It's like putting a down payment on your future inevitable screen replacement. Is that so? Is there something up? Do they know that these are possibly gonna fail? Has there been a ton of failures with the foldable displays on the Z Flips and stuff? Because honestly, like, I want this technology to succeed, but not at the cost and at the expense of us early adopters having to deal with any type of painful headaches with any issues that we could possibly have. So basically, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna openly, candidly, and truthfully and honestly share my exact experience with my contact in Samsung about this faulty display. We're gonna see if Samsung does right. And I'm not gonna do it from the angle of reaching out to them on social media so that they can know that, hey, this guy can make content, blah, blah, blah. No, I'm gonna reach out like a normal consumer first. If you guys see me go to social media about it, that means we're taking a turn for the rough patch with them. So this is an opportunity for Samsung to step up and stand behind their products, because I've purchased tons, thousands of dollars of Samsung products year after year. And this slab, even though this phone right here has reached a plateau in the sense that there's not really much more that they can do to it, it's tried and true. So it's like trying to convert the people from the tried and true design to this new, you know, innovative. Everybody always wants innovation in the tech space. But this is the 4th iteration of this device. This is the Z Flip 4. Why am I seeing this on a Z Flip 4? This is the 4th iteration. And you guys just marketed how great your new hinge is. What's up with this display, and why am I having these issues this early? Literally, I'm not even a full month in. So I gotta be honest and I gotta be truthful and I gotta call it how it is. Let's be real. A lot of other content creators probably wouldn't have made this video because they have relationships, or they don't want to ruin the possibility of a future relationship with these brands because they want everything to be positive and, you know, kumbaya. But let's be real. This is reality. This is what happens. So like me, I'm all about transparency. I'm all about sharing my brutally honest opinion and my truth when it comes to this tech, to push it forward for the better for the consumer, you. So I'm willing to share this openly, publicly. Like, I didn't do anything to this device. As I said, I'm just now coming back from being sick and down for 10 days and literally just now getting back, like, kind of like full functioning, but not really all the way there. This is like probably like the 12th or 13th day. And this is like the last thing I wanted to come out of my sickness to, because literally I was planning on my next Z Flip video, which was going to be positive, until this. So, you know, I mean, call it how it is. This is exactly what it is. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. I'm not finessing or anything like that. I'm just being very open about my experience with the tech products as I normally am. So basically, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell, hang in there and see what's gonna happen and what's gonna unfold with my experience with this Z Flip 4. This is not the video I wanted to make. This is not the angle I had for this. I had all but positivity and just wanting to push Samsung to improve on this. And I'm still gonna push them to improve because this is not the wave, Samsung. So I need you guys to get on board and figure out what's going on and make sure that this doesn't happen with these foldable devices, because us early adopters that are supporting and purchasing your ventures and your innovation need to be like backed properly. So depending on how you handle me customer service wise, depending on what you do to make this right, is gonna depend and drive the narrative of this. It's all on you. It has nothing to do with me. So let's see where it goes. My name is CJ. This is CJ Unplugged, where we just keep it all the way a buck, as you can see. So let's see what happens. You guys, I have the original Flip. Hold on. Like, I literally just sent in my trade-in, and I'm highly regretting it because look at this. I got the original Flip. This hinge, even though this is the first iteration in this screen, this one still works just fine. So for this one to be brand new and literally a couple of weeks old, and I did nothing different. Like, I didn't do anything crazy. I didn't even slam it closed. This is ultimately disappointing. This is like, yo, Samsung, I need y'all to get this right, because I did nothing. And this is extremely unfortunate, and it's sad because this is the phone I was most hyped about, the phone that I was most excited about pushing and getting people into the world of foldables. And then look at this, like, really? And you know, some people was in my comments like, oh, you've been giving Samsung a hard time, blah, 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 blah. Y'all just want me to sing peaches and roses to whatever brand you feel loyal to and all that. I'm not doing that. My point as a tech creator that's actually honest and truthful and that's a true consumer is to speak the truth and to also encourage these companies to do better for us. Same for you in the comment section. Literally, I can't believe that I have to now make a video on this angle with the Z Flip. And then now I got to reach out to Samsung and see what the heck is going on and what they're going to do for me. This is absolutely a disappointment, and I cannot believe I even make, like, literally, I'm in the process of getting ready. Like, I'm about to put on my glasses and get set up and sitting here. I'm updating my watches to do this Galaxy Watch 5 Pro video. And then this is what I come home to on the Z Flip 4. And this is going to be crazy because I use the phone to talk about the watch. And this is the phone that this watch is connected to. Nevertheless, I just wanted to hurry up and literally right as this happened, like just now, like I don't even know when it like officially cracked. I just know that I looked down and then I noticed like this bleeding right here. And I'm like, why is it bleeding? And then this is like, the screen has literally cracked. It's supposed to be foldable. Like, what's up? Like, my thing is there. Like, I'm not touching nothing. It's not broken. Like, actually broken. This is a malfunction. This is sad. Anyways. All right. Let me keep my focus so that I can continue to make my other video that I was going to make today. And then we'll talk about this. This is about to get ugly.